Protesting farmers on Friday suspended their foot march to Delhi for the day after a few of them suffered injuries due to tear gas shells lobbed by security personnel, according to a Punjab farmer leader.
अभी हम लोग आज का जत्था वापस बुला लिया। अपनी दोनों फोरम बैठ के रणनीति तय करेंगे, उसके बाद में पीसी करके सारा स्पष्ट करेंगे।
Farmers have been camping at the Shambu and Kannauri border points between Punjab and Haryana since February 13 after their proposed march to Delhi was halted by security forces. With the government yet to fulfill its promise of a legal guarantee to MSP, frustration among farmers has boiled over, leading to fresh protests and clashes with the police. Despite prohibitory orders in Ambala and internet suspensions in 11 villages, a determined group of 101 farmers initiated a foot march towards Delhi, chanting Satnam Vaheguru and carrying essential supplies. They managed to breach some barriers but were eventually halted. Police erected concrete barricades, barbed wire, and multi-layered security to prevent their entry into Haryana. Protesters removed barricades and alleged the use of pepper spray and tear gas by the police, with 6 farmers, including leaders like Surjit Singh Phool, sustaining injuries. For these farmers, the protest is also a cry for guarantees that their land and livelihoods will not be eroded by unchecked development. The agitating farmers are apprehensive of land acquisition due to rapid urbanization.
There is no harm if they promise that there will be a legal guarantee for MSP, but for some reason they don't want to do it. They are in two minds. They first agreed, and then now if there is a legal guarantee, they may have to proceed against corporate houses who will buy farm products at lower price than the MSP. That will create a different type of problem for them. They cannot alienate the business houses. Farmers are, because of their distress, they are losing their land. Land alienation is very high in peri-urban areas. They want legal guarantee. Legal guarantee does not mean not just legal assurance for MSP, fixing MSP, but also to enforce that MSP. I mean, they will be having legal entitlement so that their products will be purchased only at MSP. Anybody buying at lower price than the MSP can be sued against. Now the farmers' leaders are ready to assure that the protest will be peaceful. They can be just allowed to just march through Delhi streets and sit in a demonstration somewhere in a prescribed ground, Ramlila Maidan or even Boat Club, and they can go back. They have done such peaceful rallies in Delhi many times in the past. Even Tikait times, they used to come to Delhi and sit in the Boat Club and then go back.
However, trust remains a key issue, with leaders accusing the government of giving false hopes to the farming community.
कि किसान उनकी क्या समस्या है और कौन उसको सोल्व कर सकता है, कौन सा मंत्रालय क्या है, आके वो संवाद करे, बातचीत करे, उनके लिए दरवाजे खुले हैं। नहीं तो मैं भी उनका भाई हूँ, क्या समस्या है हमारे कोई बातचीत करे तो हम खुद उनसे वो आने के लिए उनके लिए दरवाजे खुले हैं, आकर वो बातचीत करें। अरे यदि वो बुलाए तो हम उनके बीच में जाने के लिए तैयार हैं। तो प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी ने
The government is reluctant, probably because with higher MSP, the procurement cost and hence the food subsidy bill would go up. True, the food subsidy had already crossed 1 lakh crore rupees and it would go up marginally. The government can make up for that if they partially roll back the PLI subsidy for the telecom biggies. The government should not have delayed the talks with the farmer outfits and reached an amicable negotiated settlement, said Shivaraman, a journalist based in Prayagraj.